Unlock a world of earning potential by joining the Temu affiliate program right now. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Temu website. Once there, scroll all the way down to the footer. That's the very bottom of the page. Look for a link that says Affiliates or sometimes Temu Partners and click on it. This will take you to the official Temu affiliate program page here. You'll find all the essential information about their program to get started. Locate and click the Sign Up or Join Now button. This is where the application process begins. You'll be presented with an application form. Make sure to fill this out accurately and completely. You'll likely need to provide your contact information, such as your name and email address. Crucially, Temu will want to know where you plan to promote their products. This could be a website, blog, social media profile like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, or any other platform you use to reach an audience. Be transparent about your promotional strategies. Temu reviews these to ensure you're a good fit for their program. They're looking for individuals or businesses who can genuinely drive traffic and sales to their platform. Once your application is submitted, Temu will review it. This usually takes a few business days. You'll receive an email notification, either approving or requesting further information for your application. If approved, congratulations. You're now a Temu affiliate. Within your affiliate dashboard, you'll find your unique referral links and banners. Your next step is to start promoting. Use your unique links to share Temu products you love with your audience. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission on that sale. It's that simple to start your Temu affiliate journey.